The dark side of OpenAI. Is ChatGPT a threat? Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become an essential part of our daily lives. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to personalized ads on social media, we interact with AI technology all the time. OpenAI, a research organization co-founded by Elon Musk, has made significant strides in developing AI technologies, particularly in natural language processing. One of their most prominent projects is ChatGPT, a language model that can generate human-like responses to a variety of questions and prompts. However, while the potential applications for ChatGPT are vast, there are also legitimate concerns about its capabilities and potential negative consequences. In this video, we will explore the dark side of OpenAI and discuss why ChatGPT is both fascinating and terrifying. The potential for misuse and ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses opens up a range of possibilities for malicious use. Bad actors could use ChatGPT to spread fake news or propaganda, impersonate individuals, or even commit fraud. While some of these issues are already prevalent, the power of ChatGPT could make these problems even more challenging to detect and address. Moreover, the development of GPT-3, a newer version of ChatGPT, has only heightened these concerns. With 175 billion parameters, GPT-3 can generate even more realistic response, which makes it easier for bad actors to create convincing and dangerous fake content. Unintended consequences. The use of AI in our daily lives often leads to unexpected consequences, and ChatGPT is no exception. Because ChatGPT learns from data sets, it can perpetuate biases and inequalities present in the data. For instance, ChatGPT could replicate discriminatory patterns found in training data, which could result in biased responses that perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. Additionally, the use of AI assistants like ChatGPT could lead to a loss of essential human skills, such as critical thinking and decision-making. Relying too heavily on AI could lead to a decline in these skills, which could have significant consequences for society as a whole. The black box problem. One of the most significant challenges with ChatGPT is the lack of transparency in how it works. While the model is incredibly sophisticated, it is challenging to understand how it arrives at its responses or conclusions. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to identify and correct errors or biases, and it can also make it challenging to hold the developers accountable for any negative consequences that may result from the use of the model. This black box problem is not unique to ChatGPT, but it is a critical issue that must be addressed to ensure that AI technologies like ChatGPT are used responsibly and ethically. The arms race for AI. Finally, the development of AI technologies like ChatGPT has raised concerns about an escalation in the arms race for AI. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there are legitimate fears that countries and organizations will use it to gain a military or economic advantage over their competitors. In addition to the risks of global conflict, the arms race for AI could also exacerbate existing inequalities and power imbalances, as only those countries and organizations with the resources to develop and use AI will benefit. This potential for increased inequality is a critical concern, and it is essential to consider the ethical implications of AI development and use in a global context. The importance of ethical guidelines. The development and use of AI technologies like ChatGPT must be guided by ethical considerations and principles. Without ethical guidelines, the potential for misuse and unintended consequences is much higher. Ethical guidelines can help to mitigate the risks associated with AI technologies by establishing clear boundaries for their use and ensuring that developers and users are held accountable for any negative consequences that may arise. Collaboration between developers, researchers, policymakers, and civil society is essential to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in a way that is consistent with ethical principles and values. Ethical guidelines for AI development and use should prioritize transparency, accountability, fairness, and privacy to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. In addition to mitigating risks, Ethical guidelines can also help to maximize the benefits of AI technologies by ensuring that they are developed and used in a way that is consistent with societal values, and by prioritizing ethical guidelines for AI development and use. We can work towards creating a future where AI technologies like ChatGPT are used to improve the quality of life for all. The role of regulation. While ethical guidelines are an important step towards responsible AI development and use, they are not enough on their own. Regulations are also needed to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Regulations for AI development and use can help to ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically by establishing clear rules and boundaries for its use. Additionally, regulations can help to hold developers and users of AI technologies accountable for any negative consequences that may arise, ensuring that AI is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. However, regulations must also be carefully designed to avoid stifling innovation and progress. To strike the right balance between regulation and innovation, it is essential to involve a diverse range of stakeholders in the development of regulations, including developers, researchers, policymakers, and civil society. By working together to develop responsible regulations for AI development and use, we can ensure that AI technologies like ChatGPT are used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Overall, AI technologies like ChatGPT have the potential to bring significant benefits to society, but they must be developed and used responsibly and ethically. The dark side of OpenAI and ChatGPT highlights the need for ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that these technologies are not misused or lead to negative consequences. Ethical guidelines can help to mitigate the risks associated with AI technologies, while regulations can ensure that they are developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. However, it is important to strike the right balance between regulation and innovation to avoid stifling progress and innovation. By working together to develop responsible regulations for AI development and use, we can ensure that AI technologies like ChatGPT are developed and used in a way that benefits society as a whole. The future of AI technologies like ChatGPT is in our hands, and it is up to us to ensure that they are used in a way that aligns with our ethical principles, and with the right ethical guidelines and regulations in place, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for all. One potential solution to ensure the ethical use of AI technology is to educate people about the dangers and benefits of AI. Many people are still unaware of how AI is being used in society, and it is crucial that they understand the potential consequences of its misuse. This education can come in many forms, including classes, conferences, and other educational programs. By raising awareness of the potential benefits and risks of AI technology, people can be better equipped to make informed decisions about how it is developed and used. In addition to education, we also need to ensure that AI technologies are developed with diversity and inclusivity in mind. Diversity in AI development teams can help to ensure that the technology is developed in a way that benefits everyone, not just a specific group of people. Finally, it is important to recognize that AI technologies are not a magic solution to all of society's problems. While they have the potential to do a great deal of good, they also have the potential to do harm. Therefore, we must approach the development and use of AI technology with caution and a critical eye. By understanding the potential risks and benefits of AI technology, we can ensure that it is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. In conclusion, the dark side of OpenAI and ChatGPT highlights the need for responsible AI development by working together to develop ethical guidelines and regulations, raising awareness of AI technology, promoting diversity in AI development teams, and approaching AI development and use with caution and a critical eye. We can ensure that AI technology is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the dark side of OpenAI and ChatGPT, or about responsible AI development and use, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and technology.